committed to professional explosion-proof safety field for 20 years. Six categories and 100 kinds of products. More than 200 patents. Marketing network extends all over the country and products are exported to more than 50 countries. ASTTAR has completed the leap from the low end of the industrial chain to the high end and is determined to become the first brand in the field of explosion-proof safety in China before 2020. Located in Tata Ecological Industrial Park in Xi'an, ASTTAR embodies the responsibilities and missions of their own to the society with down-to-earth and persistent pursuit. With missions on shoulders, ASTTAR Group built globally oriented industrial distribution and established a modern enterprise management system. The enterprise consists of 6 centers, covering technology, production, marketing, business administration, financing, and testing. The testing center among them possesses the only international laboratory of rescue products in China and multiple professional laboratories. Production center is set with 6 business divisions, including explosion-proof lighting, escape and rescue, instruments and meters, system equipment, explosion-proof drilling rigs, and explosion-proof dust suppression. Walking into ASTTAR, one will feel the positive vitality of development through its comfortable working conditions, rigorous work style, and a high-efficient workplace. ASTTAR adheres to the innovation mode of taking independent research and development as the core and combining industry, education, and research for win-win cooperation, achieving greater accomplishments. Currently, ASTTAR possesses 6 series and 100 kinds of products to meet customers' one-stop needs in the professional market. System Equipment Series, Instrument and Meter Series, Explosion-Proof Lighting Series, Drilling Rigs and Drilling Tool Series, Explosion-Proof Dust Suppression Series, Escape and Rescue Series. So far, ASTTAR has gained more than 200 provincial, municipal, and regional awards, more than 200 domestic and international product certification, and more than 200 patents. ASTTAR has won widespread praise and respect from innovation. From Internet Plus open professional laboratory to the strategic layout of international market, ASTTAR leads the new thinking and new leap of this industry. Internet Plus forces enterprise to carry on the transformation and upgrading. Efficiency and speed will determine enterprises' competitiveness in the future market. Through the construction of big data platform, ASTTAR integrated the information resources like Office OA, ERP, marketing website, mobile terminals, and so on to achieve the accurate positioning of market and product development. Establish the whole network marketing system to realize the great leap forward development of the enterprise. Meet customers' needs through efficient network operation and service. Establish 100 domestic franchised offices to improve customer experience. Invest 6 joint ventures in 6 free trade areas of South America, North America, Eastern Europe, Central Asia, South Asia, and Africa to realize the enterprise's transition from manufacture to service and to achieve rapid growth in bilateral trade. Establish a high-quality and resource-oriented marketing team. ASTTAR constructed a grand blueprint for future development. Market layout extends from the coal mines to non-coal mines, and from underground explosion-proof to ground surface explosion-proof professional areas. Develop the technologies in explosion-proof professional area in depth. Develop the industry to related industries with safety, environmental protection, energy saving as the theme. Always keeping social responsibilities in mind with the development of the enterprise. ASTTAR actively participates in various charity activities for years, such as aiding the poor and needy, helping the orphans and the disabled, relieving disasters and rescuing, combating academic situations, supporting education, and so on, obtaining universal praise from the society. ASTTAR actively organizes its staff to participate in various collective activities to enhance the cohesive force in enterprise, sense of collective honor and social responsibilities of the staff through these activities. A piece of used paper is endowed with new value in ASTTAR and infused into magical power to develop new high-tech products successively, fulfilling corporate value of establishing environmental protection, resource saving, and social harmony in ASTTAR. The socialization of enterprises is a prominent feature of modern enterprise development. ASTTAR is now implementing listing plan actively to realize the leap-forward development of the enterprise and bring more benefits to the society through capital operation and better optimization of resources allocation after listing.
我认为未来可持续发展的企业必须具备3个条件：第一，有文化的；第二，有创新能力的；第三，有国际化视野的。斯达的梦想就是要成为全球专业领域里受人尊敬的公司。我们坚信，斯达的这个梦想一定能够实现。
Under the leadership of Mr. Wen Xinguo, ASTTAR persistently devotes itself to the innovation and development in the professional field of explosion-proof safety for 20 years, carrying dreams, keeping responsibilities, and fulfilling missions to cultivate this fertile soil earnestly and steadily. ASTTAR expert on explosion-proof safety equipment.